this awesome crafting kit. Let's do it!
You get this nice modular basic tool set kit. So this is really good if you're a beginner or experienced, but you get some nice extra craft blades there. You get your nice little two-sided pliers there, which is pretty cool. And you get your nice little craft knife here, which is really good. And it comes with a nice top and an anti-slip handle. You get two sets of pliers, one angled, one straight as well. And you also get three different types of files there. That way you can sand anything down when you're building anything. I builded my first Warhammer miniature here, so I'm building an Infernus Marine here, and I'm just using the two-sided pliers. This definitely made the experience a lot of fun of how easy it was to get through, and I'm using my craft knife to help clean up anything, and I'm using the little nail file to help sand down anything. But here is how the models came out, really nice and smooth, and I decided to go ahead and paint one. And I used the tweezers to help put down some decorations on the base. But here is how it came out, my first ever Warhammer miniature painted and done of a custom chapter. I would recommend.